Sai Ram students, welcome to the 7th session of chapter 2, that is number work. So students, I hope you have completed the project by now. Now, in the last session, we had solved problem set 5. So in that problem set, we had solved expansion of numbers, right students? So let's start with the today's part, that is the bigger and smaller numbers. So students, you can see over here I have taken two numbers. To your left hand side is the number 15 and to your right hand side is the number 12. So you can see the open mouth of the crocodile. The open mouth of the crocodile is towards the number 15 because 15 is greater than 12, whereas the tail of the crocodile, it is towards the smaller number 12. So students, so that means 15 is greater than 12. So here I have taken the number 6 and 9. Now 6 and 9, these are one digit number, right? So the number 6, it is smaller than 9. So what I have written? So 6 is smaller than 9. So let us take the second example, that is 27 and 5. So when such type of numbers are there, what you are going to do? You are going to see, now you can see this is a 2-digit number and this digit is a 1-digit number. So whenever such examples are there, that there are 2 digits on one side and 1 digit on the other side, you always choose the 2-digit number because 2-digit number is always greater than the 1-digit number. So 27 is greater than 5. So I hope students, you are understanding what I am telling. Now let's move to the next example. Now here I have taken 3-digit numbers. First number is 352 and the second number is 316. So now you can see that both the sides, it is a 3-digit number, right? So both the digits are same on both the sides. So now first what you will do, always when you are doing the comparison, you are going to start from your left hand side, right children? So now when I take the digit of 352, the first digit is 3 and to the next side again the first digit is 3. So you cannot compare because 3 and 3 are the same. So what is the next number? Next number is 5. And what is the next number over here in the second list? It is 1. So 5 is greater than 1. So that is the reason 352 is greater than 360. So let's take the next example, 7039 and 7041. So first what you are going to do children? First you are going to see both the sides whether it is the same digit number. So both the sides it is 4-digit number. Now we'll start from our left hand side. Here the first digit is 7. Here also the first digit is 7. So you cannot compare it. Next digit is 0. Here also the next digit is 0. So we'll go to the third digit, that is the 3, and here next side is 4, right? So 3 is smaller than 4. So 7039 is smaller than 7041. So I hope students you are understanding what I am telling you. Let's move to the next one. Now it is 65,82,910 and the next side the number is 79,52,306. So it's a bigger number now, children. So first what we are going to do, we are going to see both the sides whether they are the same digit numbers, right? So how many digit it is? It is a 7-digit number, right children? So both the sides it is 7 digits. So when both the sides it is 7 digit, we are going to start the comparison from the left hand side. The first digit on your left hand side is 6. So, and to the right hand side is 7. So 6 is smaller than 7. So 65,82,910 is smaller than 79,52,306. One more example. 27,41,638 and 25,68,302. Again, what we are going to do? First, we are going to see that both the sides, the same digit numbers are there. Yes, both the side it is a 7-digit number only. So, start your comparison from your left hand side. Here the digit is 2. Again, here the digit is 2. Right? So, let's go to the next digit. Next digit is 7. And here the next digit is 5. So, 7 is greater than 5. So, that's the reason 27,41,638 is greater than 25,68,302. So, are you getting it, children? Now, we'll see what are ascending and descending order. Now, what is ascending? It is the smallest number to the largest number. What is ascending, children? Smallest number to the largest number. And what is descending? It is the largest number, that is the bigger number to the smallest number. What is descending? It is the largest number or the bigger number to the smallest number. So let's take an example. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. When you write, it is the ascending order. You can see that the number 3 is the smallest number. So next number is 4, 5, 6, 7. So these numbers, they are from the smallest to the largest. That's the reason they are called as ascending order. Now descending order is the reverse of ascending order. That means you are going to start from the bigger number, that is 7, then 6, 5, 4 and 3. So like this, from the bigger number you will come to the smaller number. So what is ascending order? It is from the smaller number to the bigger number. That if I start 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. And what is descending order? It is the reverse of ascending order. That is, it will start from the bigger number to the smaller number. For example, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So I hope students you are understood what is ascending order and what is descending order. So now let's go to the problem set 6. So what is the first question? Write the proper symbol smaller than or greater than in the box. So you have to use either greater than or smaller than symbol, right? So let's take the first one. First one is 5,705 and the next number is 15,705. So first rule, what I told you children, first you are going to see both the sides how many digits the number is. Now you can see to your left hand side it is a 4-digit number and to your right hand side it is a 5-digit number. So obviously the 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. So 5705 is smaller than 15,705. Let's move to the second one. 22,74,705, and the right hand side number is 12,74,705. So first you will check left hand side and the right hand side, both the numbers, they are of the same digits. So both the sides, they are 7 digits, right children? So what you are going to do, you are going to start from your left hand side. The first digit is 2 and here the first digit is 1. So obviously 2 is greater than 1. So 22,74,705 is greater than 12,74,705. Let's move to the third one. 35,33,302, and the next number is 35,32,302. So first we are going to check both the sides, the same digits are there. Yes, they are the same digits. So both sides, it is a 7-digit number. So we'll start with the comparison. The first from your left hand side, the first digit is 3 over here, and to the right hand side also the first digit is 3. Now let's move to the second digit, 5. Here also it is 5. So you cannot decide. We'll go to the next number, that is 3. Again here also the next number is 3. Let's go to the fourth number. Fourth number is 3 and here it is 2. Right children? So 3 is obviously greater than 2. So 35,33,302 is greater than 35,32,302. So students, you are understanding, I hope. Let's move to the fourth one. 99,999, and to your right hand side is 9,99,999. So first we are going to see both the sides, how many digits are there. If you see to your left hand side, it's a 5-digit number, whereas to your right hand side it is a 6-digit number. So 6-digit number is greater than 5-digit number. So 99,999 is smaller than 9,99,999. Let's take the fifth one, 4,80,009, and to your right hand side is 4,90,008. So first we'll compare both the sides. There are same digit numbers there. So both the sides, it is a 6-digit number. Right children? So we'll start the comparison from our left. First digit is 4. Again here the first digit is 4. Let's move to the second digit, 8, and here it is 9. So 8 is smaller than 9. So therefore 4,80,009 is smaller than 4,90,008. Let's move to the sixth one. 35,80,177, and the right hand side number is 35,88,172. So again first we'll check both the sides, there are the same digit numbers. Yes, both the side it is a 7-digit number. So we'll start the comparison from our left hand side. First digit is 3. First digit is 3. Second digit is 5. Again here the second digit is 5. Third digit is 8. Again third digit is 8. Let's move to the fourth digit, that is 0. And here it is 8. So 0 is smaller than 8. So that's the reason 35,80,177 is smaller than 35,88,172. Right, children? So I hope you have understood all the 6 examples which we have taken. Now let's move to the next question, that is solve the problems given below. So what is the first word problem? The Swayam Siddha Savings Group made 3,45,000 papads while the Swabhimani Group made 2,95,000 papads. Which group made more papads? So now in this word problem, children, you can see there are 2 groups. One is the Swayam Siddha group and the other is the Swabhimani group. So both these groups have made papads. So Swayam Siddha group has made 3,45,000 papads and the Swabhimani group has made 2,95,000 papads. So you have to decide now from these 2 groups which group has made more papads. So this is a word problem. So you are going to write a sentence for it. So let's see what sentence will you write. So you will start. Papads made by Swayam Siddha Savings Group is equal to 3,45,000. And the same sentence you will repeat, but the group will change. Papads made by Swabhimani Group is equal to 2,95,000. So now you have created the statements. Now we'll see. You will see the 2 numbers we have written, 3,45,000 and the next number as 2,95,000. So both the sides you can see, children, it is a 6-digit number. So you will start the comparison. First digit is 3, whereas here the first digit is 2. So 3 is greater than 2. So that's the reason 3,45,000 is greater than 2,95,000. So Swayam Siddha Savings Group made more papads. So what is the final answer, children? Swayam Siddha Savings Group made more papads. So I hope you have understood how to write the statements for the word problem. Let's move to the second one. Children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 2 lakh seeds while those in Pune district collected 3,25,000 seeds. So which children collected more seeds? So you can see now here, children, again they have given that the primary children in Ahmednagar district, they collected 2 lakh seeds, whereas Pune district, they collected 3,25,000 seeds. So you have to decide now which children, the children from which district has collected the more seeds. So first we'll start with the statements. Seeds collected by children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district is equal to 2 lakh. Seeds collected by the children of the primary school in Pune district is equal to 3,25,000. So now we'll compare. this left hand side is 2 lakh and to your right hand side is 3,25,000, right? So first you are going to see both the sides how many digit number it is. Both the sides it is a 6-digit number. So you will start the comparison. The first digit is 2. Here the first digit is 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. So 2 lakh is smaller than 3,25,000. So children of the primary school in Pune district collected more seeds. So your final answer is children of the primary school in Pune district collected more seeds. So I hope students you're understanding how to write the statements of the word problem, right? So what we have done today, children, we saw about the bigger and the smaller numbers, how we have to compare the bigger number and the smaller number. First we took only the numbers and then we solved the word problems based upon it. So students, let us meet in the next session. Till then, goodbye.